The Math Tower of Mathyness by Antonio and Alexa.
Welcome to the Math Tower of Mathyness created by Lexi and Antonio. So, we're going to get started. Lesson 1. We're going to get started. Lesson 1 is looking for patterns. If you're multiplying a decimal by tens, hundreds, or thousands, etc., look for a pattern. Tens, move the decimal point over once. Hundreds, move the decimal point over twice. Thousands, move the decimal point over 3 times. Lesson 2. Estimating equations. Change a problem that is hard into an easier one. 7/10 times 45/100 can change easily into 7/10 times 5/10. You can use compatible numbers or you can round, and yeah, you got it. So that's cool. Lesson 3 is number sense. Answer the problem to the most sensible way to you. Clearly, 7/10 times 8/10 doesn't equal 9, so you can always remember that while you're doing your problems. And you have to be reasonable, and definitely be reasonable again. Using graphs. Lesson 4, using graphs. Use a graph to help solve the problem. Look at the example, look at the example, look at the example, which I have over here. So basically, it's a grid using grid squares that I made out of glass. So it's 6/10 that go all the way back to under this, and then 3/10 that go here. But as you can see, there's a big lump. This lump is the overlap of the two products. So this would actually be my answer, 18/100. So since I'm doing a decimal by decimal, I have to add the two decimals. So now I have a decimal point for the hundredths place and 18/100. So that would be my answer. And now we're going to move on to lesson 5. Answer your problems. Answer the problems with confidence. We're going to use everything we learned in the last lessons, which is ignore the decimal, add it back at the end. Ta-da! Okay, so lessons 6 and 7 and is like basically do it any way you want or any way you learned. I got this off of Pearson, so well, do it already. Yay! Okay, so that was the math tower created by Lexi and Antonio. Yay! Hope you do good on your test.